Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1067P. Only 44,000 miles and is one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. The Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. As well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, as well as compass display. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.